bought my tripod. Trying to solve some carousel is quite a headache. Okay, and over the past, I think 2 weeks, I received messages from students that say, hey, Mrs. Chu, I can solve. Wow, that's very good. But I also have some students asking me, Mrs. Chu, when are you going to upload your solution video? So here I am. Okay, this is the second question. So the first question, which side? Of course, the more complicated side. Okay, so we choose the left hand side, and then what I ask my student to do is all these secant, cosecant, cotangent, let's just simplify them, okay? 1 over cosine plus 1 over sine, and then over, okay, if you want to do this, let's do, okay, I'll keep this first, okay, in case you all find that it looks very big. Actually, from here, right, you can convert it to sine over cosine, but it doesn't matter, okay? I always tell my students there's no one way. There are many ways to roam. Okay, then here, common denominator. So I have my common denominator, then I have cosine x, sine x. Then I'm going to switch this because this is like a 4-tier fraction, right? So one tip is how do you switch a 4-tier fraction into a 2-tier or a 3-tier fraction into a 2-tier fraction is always possible. So this one is a divide, and then I put this whole thing here, which is going to be tangent. Yeah, I make common denominator. I want to save space. Okay, and then like that. Cool? Okay? Don't know, message me for those my student okay. Okay, then look at this. Da, 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 da. For my student, I get them to sort of memorize the Trigo identities okay. Why? There's a reason. Yes, it's given to you, but if you memorize, right, when this thing you immediately you know. So for those students that didn't remember by heart, right, then they will always have to flip to and fro and it won't jump up at them. So this one is secant square x, okay? So let's change this. Okay, sorry, why am I singing? A bit nervous, I think. Okay, so here I am. I'm going to flip this, okay? Save space. Okay. Cool? Okay, now I'm gonna change this, okay, into actually I can do it here, but because there is no space, I'm going to do it over the other side. Then I'll put it here, okay, because no space already. Okay, so let's tangent x over secant square x is actually tangent x over 1 over cosine square x. Okay, now same, this is a 3-tier fraction, so if you can actually flip it up. Okay, if you don't know how to flip, right, never mind, just do this. Use tangent divided by this, okay, and you will get this. You flip this up, okay, you end up with this. Okay, and when you end up with this is actually cosine, and then you have a sine over cosine. Okay, this sine over cosine comes from here lah. Okay, then you can cancel. So I have cosine x, sine x, okay? So end up cosine x, sine x. Let's put this back here. So I have sine x plus cosine x over cosine x, sine x, then times cosine x, sine x. So cancel. So it's equals to sine x plus cosine x. Then it's equals to right hand side. So it's proven. Yay! So okay, another thing I want to say is if here you get sine x, cosine x, also can cancel, okay? They are the same thing. AB is equals to BA. Okay? Then we are moving on to the next, to the last Trigo question after this video.